Hello and welcome to this learning video, in which today we are going to discuss among the topic of intelligence. Before that, let me introduce my team members. We are psychology students from BINUS University. For the course of educational psychology, my group consists of myself, Tasya, and Rayhan. Learning outcomes of this video consists of explain basic concepts and theories regarding the topic intelligence, like theories and approaches of intelligence, type of intelligence, tests in intelligence, and influence on intelligence. Before we hop onto the topic, it is best that we understand the definition of intelligence, where intelligence can be defined in many ways, which are high level abilities such as abstract reasoning, mental representation, problems, and decision making. Ability to learn, creativity, and adaptations also deal with the environment effectively. In understanding this, it implies that there are different forms of intelligence in a similar understanding that there are various types of intelligence. There are several approaches to understanding intelligence, including the psychometric, cognitive, biological, cultural, contextual, and systems approaches. Each approach places an emphasis on different psychological aspects of intelligence as well as on different ways of investigating it. The psychometric approach is largely based on statistical method, especially factor analysis. The cognitive approach studies mental representations and processes. The biological approach is largely brain-based. The cultural or contextual approach emphasizes the role of culture in defining what constitutes intelligence in a given cultural setting, and the systems approach looks at intelligence in terms of complex systematic interactions.
Developmental influences. There are two significant influences regarding an individual's development of intelligence. One, which is nature, the environment they are exposed with, and nurture, the genes that they were born with. These two aspects have been proven from time to time to have significant effect on the individual's intelligence development. Learning influences intelligence. It is quite evident where learning has a positive correlation to the level of intelligence. Two notable theories that reveal to this information are Thorndike and Watson's theory. For Thorndike, he does not believe on general ability. He stated that each mental activity requires an aggregate of different set of abilities. Thorndike's multi-factor theory distinguishes these attributes of intelligence. A. Level. Level of difficulty of a task that can be solved. B. Range. Number of tasks at any given degree of difficulty. C. Area. Total number of situations at each level to which the individual is able to respond. D. Speed. Rapidity with which we can respond to the items. All of the attributes written above influences on the evaluation of an individual's intelligence level. Theories of intelligence. BINUS unifactor theory. Spearman two-factor theory. General and specific intelligence. Thorndike's multi-factor theory. Verbal ability, numerical ability, reasoning ability, memory ability, spatial ability, word fluency. System theories. Two system theories are Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence and Robert Sternberg's theory of successful intelligence. Gardner's theory argues that there are 8 distinctive intelligence, whereas Sternberg's theory argues that intelligence comprises creative, analytical, practical, and even wisdom-based skills. Type of intelligence. Spatial, linguistic, logical or mathematical, bodily or kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, naturalistic, existential. Test in intelligence. Binet and Simon test in 1905 includes the testing of visual coordination, recognition of objects, naming object in picture, suggestibility, definition of familiar object, Ways test, vocabulary, information, arithmetic, comprehension, similarities, digit span.
Now we are going to be doing the assessment where we have some questions for you to answer. The first question is, what are the five major key components that are utilized in the approaches of understanding one's intelligence? The second question, what are the significant differences between the two existing system theories of intelligence, and how does it affect the understanding of intelligence as a whole? The third question, there are different variations in the test conducted for measuring intelligence. How those two tests we presented differs from each other. These are the following answers to the questions that we have given to you guys. First answer is that, as we have discussed before, there are five key components that build upon the understanding of intelligence, and that they are psychometric, cognitive, biological, cultural, and system approaches. All these major concepts are crucial in determining one's intelligence due to the impact and effect these concepts have in an individual. Second answer. The two system theories covers different dimensions of intelligence, as we already know that there are conceptual approach. There are also seems to also be a systematical way in understanding intelligence, and it has been shown by differences of Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence and Robert Sternberg's theory of successful intelligence. The third and the last question, for the example of Weiss and Binet and Simon, is that Binet and Simon produces only a single general intelligence score, whereas Weiss test provides a number of different scores due to a more articulate usage of test components and a more modern timing. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video, and here are the reference lists for the video. Thank you.